Positive vibration, my positive family. I hope you are doing positively at this point in time, but it is difficult for me to be positive at this moment because my country had been affected by the terrible hurricane, Hurricane Melissa. The western side of Jamaica had been devastated. My family had been affected as well, but no life was lost. Thanks be to God. But I just want to extend my condolences to those who have lost loved ones and those who have lost everything. I just want to let you know that there is hope. There is hope. And you are going to rebuild. Once you put your hands and heart to it, you are going to rebuild. Yes. And I call this one all hands on deck for Jamaica. All hands on deck to rebuild the western side of Jamaica. So I am soliciting or asking for the support, whomever can give their support, whether to pray, whether to give a word of encouragement, whether to send something tangible, whether finances or goods like foodstuff and toiletries, whatever you can do to support Jamaica. This one is called All Hands on Deck to Rebuild Jamaica, because we will be better than before as a country. We are going to rebuild to be better than before. So just want to encourage you, my brothers and sisters from Jamaica, who are in Jamaica currently, and those who are in the diaspora, but those in particular who are in Jamaica, that help is in Jamaica, as you know it, and help is coming. Help is coming by the droves. Okay? So brace yourself, because we are here to help you the best we can. And may you stay positive despite the situation. The result is to be positive not only in the good times but also in the bad times.